Hello and welcome to another update video on Solana. So Solana has pushed exactly against the 100% extension level, one of the key resistance levels highlighted here on our daily time frame. But exactly, right? $253.79. And we have a first rejection. No surprise. I mentioned to you in the last few days that the area around $250 could be strong resistance. And likely is because the 100% extension level is always a strong resistance level that needs to be considered when it comes to altcoins, okay? Now, what does it mean? Does it mean we get rejected, we're all bearish again and everything? No, but there's a support area that now ideally should hold if we really continue to grind higher in a very direct fashion. And that support area, we will take a look at that on the smaller time frame. A quick reminder here that we are looking still for higher prices. And this third wave should take us to $305 over the coming weeks, months. Yeah, very difficult to predict time, but that is the roadmap. It's always an if-then condition. I mean, if we break below certain support levels, then we will not get there, right? But that is why we do technical analysis, so that we get a good understanding of what these invalidation levels and support levels are. Now, again, a break below certain micro support levels might not really change the bigger picture, but it might delay the move to the upside, yeah. But for now, the ideal roadmap would be, let's see if we can go a little higher and form a higher low here in 4 and get a higher high in 5. So that would be the ideal roadmap. Yeah, Q4, normally quite positive, yeah. And Q4 is around the corner. Now we're a little early here, actually. But overall, that area around 360 to 380 points, yeah, to a possible ideal target there. Yeah, there are several levels that overlap there. Various reasons why the price should get there, but we talked about all those in previous updates. In this video, I just want to give you a quick update about the short-term structure, but it's always good to start with the context to get everybody on the same page. Now let's take a look at the shorter time frame for Solana. In the meantime, while I navigate here, if you appreciate the content and the daily analysis, make sure that you subscribe and also give the video a thumbs up. That would be highly appreciated. Now, what you see here on the chart on the micro level is that the price is possibly starting a pullback after reacting here, right, to that 100% extension level. We formed a marginally higher high. A higher high was expected. So it's already done it. You know, it's already given us what we wanted to see. But this is likely not yet the fifth wave. I mean, it could be the fifth wave, but it's likely not yet the top of the fifth wave. So remember, I was still watching for higher prices here in 5 waves, right? From this swing low, from this B wave low on the 1st of September, we wanted to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I could now say, hey, we've done it. Yeah. And yeah, we've done it. We've got 5 waves up. The market has followed the forecast. However, I don't find that a very convincing fifth wave. I think we might only have seen the A wave of that fifth wave. And we could start the B wave of that fifth wave next. And then the C wave up could follow. And the micro support area that I put onto the chart that now needs to hold to keep the uptrend, the local uptrend alive, is between $235 and $244. This is our nearest support zone to watch. Why? Because the idea is that this is an ending diagonal structure. So the wave 1 should be 3 waves. The wave 3 should be 3 waves. So of course, the wave 5 should also be 3 waves. That's my reasoning behind this. And the idea is therefore we might be working on a B wave. We might go a little lower. But I'm not calling necessarily for a dip. It's more like if we really bottomed, again, it's an if-then condition, right? Then we should hold now the $235 level. So it's more like a key support level here that keeps the local uptrend intact and then could send the price higher towards $261 to $280 next. Yeah, it seems likely that the A wave might have topped and we're now in the B wave. Support starts at $244.52. So that's how I see it at the moment. Overall, we should still go higher. The thing is, what happens below $235? Yeah, what would happen then? My view is we would probably just extend the fourth wave. Yeah, we would probably simply be in the fourth wave still. So yeah, that's the update on Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure you check out our membership. You can join our Discord server with the gold membership. There is a lot of content. Also, if you're interested, check out our X channel for additional updates, charts, news, and much more. The link is in the description and also in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.